you ever wondered if a 55 plus community lifestyle is like living a never-ending episode of The Golden Girls?
Yes, as a matter of fact, it is.
Or maybe it's like Cocoon without the aliens.
Let's dive in and see if this lifestyle is right for you, or if you're better off keeping up with the Kardashians.
So, what exactly is a 55 plus community? Imagine a place where you're not the oldest person in the room, where you can reminisce about rotary phones and 8-track tapes without getting blank stares. That's a 55 plus community for you. It's a housing option for those that are 55 and older. And don't worry, if your partner is a springly 49, you can still join you. But remember, most communities have a minimum age requirement, meaning that you need to be at least 18 years old, so that nephew can't crash on your couch indefinitely.
You know, that makes me think. My first car had an 8-track tape player.
And so did my VW bus.
Well, there we go. And of course, in these communities, security is very important. Think of it as your personal fortress. Many are gated, ensuring that only residents and invited guests can enter. Plus, with security on call, you can always sleep soundly, knowing help is just a phone call away.
One of the big pluses, though, of these 55 communities are fewer kids. Remember when you wanted peace and quiet? Well, here it is. While your adorable grandkids can visit, they can't exactly set up camp forever. It's like a hotel stay. Eventually, they've got to check out.
And of course, we have to talk about physical activities. Forget those expensive gym memberships. Dive into pools, challenge friends to tennis or pickleball, and of course, Andy's favorite, golf. And of course, you can always waltz in that ballroom. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, some communities even offer fishing spots. Just remember to throw back any talking fish.
Oh, excuse me a minute. Gotta go down for air. You know how it is, a fish out of water.
But how about mental stimulation? Libraries, book clubs, and classes galore. It's like college without the exams or the mac and cheese and top ramen diet.
I'm ready for it. And of course, there's always less housework, which is always a good thing. Just say goodbye to mowing lawns and hello to leisure.
Enjoy people your own age, discuss Beatles, bell bottoms, and rotary phones without having to explain what they are. It's priceless.
And of course, there's housing options. From cozy condos to spacious homes, there's something for everyone. And if you're feeling particularly adventurous, some communities even cater to RV enthusiasts like us.
And there are locations nationwide. Now, are you dreaming of Texas barbecue or perhaps those Florida beaches? There's a 55 plus community waiting for you. And if you're keen on Texas, you know who to contact, us. We'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that you find your dream retirement home. And hey, if Texas is not your thing, we've got agents all across this great country ready to serve you. So reach out to us and let's start that conversation.
But wait, there's a few more. Some not so golden cons.
Let's talk about HOA fees. While they offer many amenities, they also come with a price tag. Make sure you factor in these fees with your budget.
And of course, there's always the home prices. Some of these communities have very costly homes. But hey, maybe it's worth it for a pickleball court.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about the other con, age restrictions. While it's great to be around people your own age, sometimes you may miss out on the energy of that younger generation.
55 plus communities offer a unique lifestyle that many find appealing. Whether you're looking for peace and quiet, a bustling social calendar, or just a place where you can talk about the good old days without getting puzzling looks, there's a community out there for you. So are you ready to trade in that lawnmower for a tennis racket?
If so, give us a call, reach out to us on that dream home form below, and until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.